Hello and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Microsoft OneDrive Essentials. My name is Chip Reeves. I'm a Microsoft partner and an IT consultant with over 25 years of experience helping businesses and individuals use technology more effectively. OneDrive is a powerful app to help you manage your documents, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for people who want to manage their files and documents using the features of their business or personal OneDrive account. We'll start by discussing the concept of cloud storage and how OneDrive differs from other cloud storage options. Next, we'll look at different methods of accessing OneDrive and navigating the OneDrive web interface. From there, we'll use the My Files view to manage our files and documents. In our next section, we'll explore the various methods of sharing files and folders and managing access. We'll also look at how to recover deleted files and folders from the recycle bin. Then, we'll look at how to use the OneDrive Sync app and the Files on Demand feature. Next, we'll examine how OneDrive integrates and functions with different file types. Then we'll access and manage version history from multiple locations and explore the functionality of co-authoring. In our last lessons, we'll look at how to customize your OneDrive with favorites, shortcut links, and quick access. We'll finish by discussing the unique features and relationship between OneDrive, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be confident in using your business or personal OneDrive account more efficiently and effectively.